Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. We are now 49.3 miles into the third round of Valvoline Restore and Protect in my brother's 2011 Nissan Sentra. If you've been following my channel, you'll know that one of the issues I ran into recently was leaking around the oil drain plug. And on Monday, we replaced it with a new one that I got from Amazon. So in this video, we're going to check up on that oil drain plug. We're going to take a look at the dipstick under a microscope and then compare that against what it looked like 1700 miles ago. We'll also take a look at the inside of the engine with the borescope and then compare that against what it looked like 1700 miles ago. Alright, well here we go. Alright, that's what the oil drain plug looks like. And from what I can tell, there isn't any leaks. I know we're only 50 miles into it, so we'll continue to track this to make sure that there aren't any leaks. Alright, the next thing I'm pretty excited to share with you guys. Here's what the inside of the engine looks like 1700 miles ago. Jumping to today, look at that. There is definitely some noticeable improvements. And then here's what the dipstick looked like 1700 miles ago. Man, you guys are gonna like this one. Here's what it looks like today. Wow. I also checked the oil level after I took these pictures, and the oil level hasn't changed at all after 50 miles worth of driving. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.